Hello everyone and welcome to this guide. I will show with you how to check Visa Serbia Online. If you want to check your Serbia Visa Online, go to Google, search for Serbia Visa Check-in, click the first website here. After that, all you have to do, log in your account from here, from this website. You have username and password to log in your account, sign in with your all information here. After click on sign in option with your details, you will open your account, friends. After open account, look for Visa D. You have Visa D, Visa C. You have my request. Just click my request here, and then you can check your state here. So friends, this is for official website here. You can check your Visa ID and Visa state. This is how you can do to check your Visa. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this video for more content. As I say, friends, you can check your application from here. Thanks for watching this